Health-conscious Americans seeking a blank may look to Mediterranean culture, in which the consumption of red wine, olive oil, and fish leads to a reduced risk of heart disease. So these health-conscious Americans, what are we, or what are they looking for? Well, they want something that will give them, or lead to, rather, a reduced risk of heart disease. That's big. So seeking what could give them this reduced risk of heart disease? And that's what needs to go in the blank. Some word, in this case a noun, that means, wow, we follow this diet and we will live longer lives. So let's go to the answer choices here, starting with polemic. Polemic means of regarding argumentation, especially controversial argumentation. Doesn't work. Panacea is a cure-all. Could that work? Well, if you're health conscious, you want something that gives you health, that bestows health, and this Mediterranean diet with their red wine, olive oil, and fish could definitely be the ticket. So there we have one possible answer. Seeking an anomaly. Let's look at C. An anomaly is something that doesn't match up with what's expected. It's not typical. So they're not looking for an atypicality. It doesn't make sense. Then there's the word exegesis, difficult word. An exegesis is an interpretation, usually of a scholarly text. Does not relate here. And then we have these last two, exemplar and elixir. And I can see people falling for exemplar because exemplar means like a perfect model or example of something. And in this case, you may think, wow, the Mediterranean culture, or at least the cuisine, is an exemplar. But are they seeking an exemplar? What are they seeking? Some cure-all, some healthy diet in this case. And that is what we need here. A synonym in a way for something that bestows or gives health. It's not an exemplar, and it is an elixir. Elixir, of course, carries a connotation of extending life indefinitely, which may be going in a way too far, but it's not necessarily used quite so literally in this case, just something that will extend life, and that makes F, elixir, the answer, along with B, panacea.